Welcome to CarSceneKorea. I introduce newly released Genesis, Hyundai, and Kia cars, and probably cars that you have not seen on my channel, but this is what car scene here in Korea is all about, and actually where my channel all started from. But I don't want to give you a 2-3 minute long intro. It's all about these cars here today, so I'll leave you to it. Enjoy today's video, the cinematic footage, and something that I try to get on my channel from this point on. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.